I'm Elijah Brown with Instructional Technology, and in this video you'll be introduced to teleprompter operation with EasyPrompter. Whether you are on Zoom or in the video studio, a teleprompter can be a helpful tool for maintaining eye contact and sounding professional, but not rehearsed. In this video you will learn how to access the free teleprompter program EasyPrompter, import and edit your script in the program, the keyboard controls, and how to troubleshoot issues that may arise. Let's get started. I'm working on a project and need to record myself reading a new script. To operate the teleprompter, I'm going to first open up EasyPrompter and create a free account. The next step is loading in our script. Copy the script from the document you wrote it in into the text box on EasyPrompter. Now you're ready to start. Pressing Start Prompter will bring you to this screen. You want the screen the person is reading off of to be in front of the camera they are presenting to. The teleprompters located in the Armstrong Video Studio are attached to the camera. If you are using your laptop for Zoom, move the EasyPrompter window to the top of the screen so it is under the camera. Once you have set up the camera and teleprompter, press the spacebar and the script will start moving. This is okay, but I need the text to move faster. To control the speed of the teleprompter, we will use the left and right arrow keys. The right arrow will speed up and the left arrow will slow down. We can also use the up and down arrow to jump in the text. We want to listen to what line the reader is on and keep it in line with the white arrow on the left side. The United Nations, as of June, has approved a name change for the country previously known as Turkey. The new official name for the country is Turkiye. Turkiye's president, Recep Tayyip Erdogan's reasoning is to boost the economy and distance themselves from the bird of the same name. This is great, but I want to highlight the word Turkiye, so I emphasize it while reading. Sometimes the person reading the teleprompter may ask the person operating to apply some text effects to make it easier to read. Here you can embold, italicize, underline, and apply highlights to the text. When editing the script in EasyPrompter, it is important to remember that the edits made here will not be saved to your original document. While we are in prompter mode, we have other effects that can be useful. We can make the text all caps or break after each sentence. It is important to listen to what the reader needs, as every reader is different. You also have control over the text size. Okay, here are some common issues you might run into while operating the teleprompter. The prompter screen may appear mirrored to the reader. Go to the Display Settings tab and check if it is flipped vertically or horizontally. If the teleprompter screen is too wide, it may cause the reader to scan across with their eyes. In this case, you can make the teleprompter window smaller. If the text appears too small, you can click the Text Size button to adjust the size. Okay, this is the basics of operating the teleprompter. I invite you to explore the program some more. Please check out our playlist for other instructional videos. Thank you.